Hi dear children, I am Rakhi, PGT Economics. Economic Mall is my YouTube channel. I think all of you liked my previous classes. In that class, I discussed about certain basic concept about economics. That is father of economics. Who is the father of economics? Adam Smith is the father of economics. And we studied about the definition of economics. That is, economics is a science. We study human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. Likewise, we studied the central problems of an economy. Which are the central problems of an economy? What to produce, how to produce, whom to produce. These are the central problems of an economy. Today, we will study about the production possibility frontier. Before that, I am requesting you, Economic Mall is my YouTube channel. If you like my classes, you please like it and subscribe it. Okay, now we will come back production possibility frontier. It is the graphical representation of different combination of two goods which can be produced with available resources and technology. This is not the real concept. Actually, it is an assumed concept. Means it is based on certain assumptions. Assumption means in an economy, the resources are fixed. Likewise, based on the resources, only two goods can be produced. That is gun and butter. Likewise, technology is assumed to be constant. Likewise, we can increase the production of one goods only by reducing the production of another goods. Okay, now first we will study about the definition of production possibility frontier. Production possibility frontier. Is the graphical representation of different combination of two goods which can be produced with available resources and technology. So this is the definition of production possible frontier. That is, production possibility frontier is the graphical representation of different combination of two goods which can be produced with available resources and technology. Now we will study about the assumptions of PPF. Production possibility frontier means PPF. Short form we can say PPF. Production possibility frontier. Now we will study about the assumptions of PPF. First assumption of PPF is in an economy resources are fixed. In an economy resources are fixed. Second assumption is by using these resources only two goods can be produced. Third assumption is technology is assumed to be constant. Next assumption is we can increase the production of one good only by reducing the production of another good. So these are the assumptions of PPF. First one is, in an economy, resources are fixed. Next one, by using the resources, only two goods can be produced. And next one is, technology is assumed to be constant. Next one is, we can increase the production of one good only by reducing the production of another good. These are the assumptions of production possibility frontier. Children, you can write the notes. First we studied what is PPF. PPF is the graphical representation of different combination of two goods which can be produced with available resources and technology. Next we studied about the assumptions of PPF, that is, in an economy resources are fixed. By using the resources only two goods can be produced. Next one, technology is assumed to be constant. Likewise, next one, we can increase the production of one good only by reducing the production of another good. Please write the notes. Next we will study about the production possibility schedule. It is the tabular statement of PPF, tabular statement of production possibility frontier. Here we can see the possible combinations A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the possible combinations, and we already studied by using the resources. Here we are assuming that only two goods can be produced, that is gun and butter. Here we can see the guns production, it is reducing. 21 to 20, 20 to 18, 18 to 15, 15 to 11, 11 to 6, 6 to 0. But what about the butter production? Butter production is increasing 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, likewise it is increasing. Here you can see that MOC. What is MOC? Marginal opportunity cost. Marginal opportunity cost means unit of the commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. Here you can see that guns production, it is sacrificing, decreasing in order to increase the production of butter. Here you can see that 21 to 20, that is guns production decreased 1 unit in order to increase the production of the butter from 0 to 1. So MOC is how much? 1. Next 20 to 18, 2 units of gun, that is sacrificing, reduce the production in order to increase the production of butter from 1 to 2. Again 18 to 15, that is 3 units of guns production decreased to increase the production of butter from 2 to 3. Here 15 to 11, 4 units of gun production decreased to gain the production of 1 more unit of butter. Next one 11 to 6, 5 units of gun sacrificed to increase the production of butter from 4 to 5. Next one 6 to 0, that is 6 units of gun is sacrificed to increase the production of butter from 5 to 6, that is 1 more unit. So here you can see that if in an economy all the resources are utilized for the production of gun, 21 units of gun can be produced and butter is 0. Suppose in an economy all the resources are utilized for the production of the butter, 6 units of butter can be produced, then the gun production is 0. So that is MOC. Here you can see that 1 unit, how many units sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. Here gun production sacrifice 1. So first 1 MOC. Then 20 to 18 means how much units gun sacrifice? 2 units. So 2 is MOC. Then 18 to 15. How many units sacrifice? 18, 15 difference 3. So 3 units of gun sacrifice. So MOC is 3. Next one 15 to 11. How much sacrifice? 4 units. 11 to 6 means 5 units sacrifice. Then 6 to 0 means 6 units sacrifice. So what is MOC? MOC means number of units of commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. Okay, I think everyone understood MOC. Next one is MRT, that is margin rate of transformation. It is the ratio of number of units of commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. That is MRT, margin rate of transformation, equal to changing guns by changing butter. Here you can see that 21 to 20 means one gun is sacrificing 1 G is to how much unit of butter gaining? 1. So 1 butter. 1 gun sacrificing to gain 1 unit of butter. So 1 G is to 1 B. Here 20 to 18. How many units of gun sacrifice? 2 units. So 2 guns is to how many units of butter gain? 1. 2 G is to 1 B. Here 18 to 15. How many units sacrifice the gun? 3 units. So 3G is to how many units of butter gain? 2 to 3 means 1 more unit. So 3G is to 1B. Next one 15 to 11. That is 4 gun sacrifice. 15 to 11 difference is 4. 4G sacrifice. 4G is to how many gains butter? 3 to 4 means 1. That is 1B. Next 11 to 6. 11 to 6 difference 5. 5 gun sacrifice to gain 4 to 5 means 1 more unit of butter. 4 to 5. Next one 6 to 0. So here how many units gun sacrifice? 6 units. And here gaining 1 more unit of butter. So 6G is to 1B. This is the margin rate of transformation. So I will write the definition of margin rate of transformation also. Marginal rate of transformation. It means ratio of, it is the ratio of number of units commodity, number of units of commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. Okay. So in this PPF schedule, you have to study the combinations, and guns production here you can see it is sacrificing, means decreasing. In order to increase the production of the butter from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise butter production is increasing. So MOC, it is the sacrificing amount, means unit of number sacrificed to gain the production of another commodity. Here guns production how much decreased, that is what MOC. 21 to 21, 20 to 18 to likewise. Okay. Here you can see that in an economy, if all the resources are utilized for the production of gun, 21 units of gun can be produced, then 0 butter. Likewise, if in an economy all the resources are utilized for the production of butter, 6 units of butter can be produced and gun production is 0. And MRT, it actually shows the ratio of the units of commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. That is 1 gun is to 1B. Here because 1 gun is sacrificing to get 1 butter. Again 2 gun is sacrificing. So 2G is to 1B. Here in order to increase the production of 1 unit of butter, that production of the gun production is decreasing. Okay. 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G like that guns production is decreasing, means sacrificing. So MRT means what? Units of the commodity sacrificed to gain the additional unit of another commodity. I think all of you understood the PPF schedule. Now we will study about the production possibility curve. Production possibility frontier and production possibility curve both are same only. Okay children, this is the production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. Here you can see different combinations, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. If an economy, all the resources are utilized for the production of gun, A combination means 21 units of gun can produce and 0 unit of butter. Suppose in an economy, all the resources are utilized for the production of butter, 6 units of butter can be produced, that is combination G, 6 units of butter can be produced and 0 unit gun. In between A and G, you can see different combination, that is B, C, D, E, F. By joining A to G, all these combinations, we will get a PPC, that is production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. Okay, so I will write the explanation. You can write the notes also. At combination A, all resources are utilized for the production of gun and zero units of butter, 21 units of gun. So at combination A, all resources are utilized for the production of gun. So 0 units of butter can be produced and 21 units of gun can be produced. At combination G, all resources are utilized for the production of butter. So 6 units of butter can be produced and 0 unit of gun. So at combination A, 21 units of gun can be produced and 0 units of butter. At combination G, 6 units of butter can be produced and 0 units of gun. In between A to G, there are different combinations, that is B, C, D, E, F. By joining all these combinations, we will get PPF curve, that is a production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. So write between A and G, there are combinations B, C, D, E, F. By joining all these combinations from A to G will get PPF. I think all of you understood about the production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. Here once again I will explain. Gun is measured on the y-axis and butter is measured on the x-axis, and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, these all are the combinations. At A combination, all the resources are utilized for the production of the gun. So 21 units of gun can produce and 0 butter. At G combination, all the resources are utilized for the production of the butter. So 6 units of butter can be produced and 0 units of gun. In between A to G, there are different combinations, that is B, C, D, E, F. By joining all these combinations, that is A to G, we will get PPF, that is production possibility frontier or production possibility curve. Next we will study about the characteristics or properties of PPF. Properties of PPF. Which are the characteristics or properties of PPF? First one is the PPF slopes downwards. PPF slopes downwards. This production possibility curve slopes downwards because more of one unit of the commodity can be produced only by reducing the production of another commodity. That we already studied in the assumption. Yes, no. There are two commodities can be produced by using the available resources. So, in order to increase the production of one commodity, we have to reduce the production of another commodity. That's why PPF curve slopes downwards. Why it slopes downwards? Because more of one commodity can be produced only by reducing the production of another commodity. More of one commodity can be produced only by reducing the production of another commodity. Next property of PPF is PPF shape is concave. PPF is concave shape. PPF is concave shape. Why the PPF is concave shape? Because more and more unit of the commodity can be sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. That is increasing MRT. MRT means what? Marginal rate of transformation. Means it is the ratio of units of commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. So the PPF is concave shape due to increasing MRT, that we already studied, increasing MRT. We saw in that schedule diagram that more units of gun sacrificing to gain additional unit of the butter. So the PPF curve is what? Concave shape due to increasing MRT. Means more and more units of commodity sacrificing in order to get additional unit of another commodity. So these are the two properties or characteristics of PPF, that is PPF curve slopes downwards and PPF is concave shape. We can write the notes. Why it slopes downwards? Because more of the commodity can be produced only by reducing the production of another commodity. Next property is PPF is concave shape. Why it is concave shape? Due to increasing MRT. What is MRT? It is ratio of the number of units of commodity sacrificed to gain additional unit of another commodity. So the PPF is concave shape due to increasing MRT. So these two are the characteristics or properties of PPF. Next we will study about the attainable and unattainable combination. Attainable and unattainable combination of PPF. There are two types of combinations in PPF, that is attainable combination and unattainable combination. Here you can see that A, B, C, D, that is on the curve. These combinations are on the curve. Means here the resources are fully utilized. A combination, B combination, C combination, D combination, these all are on the PPF curve. Means the resources are maximum utilized. So it is the attainable combinations. Okay, that is optimal utilization of resource happened in A, B, C, D. So which are the example for optimal utilization of resource combination? A, B, C, D. Then at point E, this is also attainable combination. But this point E is inside the PPF curve. Why it is inside the PPF curve? Because here the resources are not fully utilized. That is inefficient utilization of resources. That is point E. Okay. So attainable combination means A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D, these are what? Optimal utilization of the resources, and point E combination, this is inefficient utilization of the resources. That's why it is inside the PPF curve. So attainable combination include two things, that is optimum utilization of the resources. It is on the PPF curve. A, B, C, D. All these are attainable combination when the resources are fully utilized. And at point E, it is resources are not fully utilized, underutilized. That's why it is inside a PPF curve at point E. Next one is unattainable combination. Unattainable combination means point F. Point F. Why it is unattainable? Because the resources are not sufficient for an economy to reach that production. So it is what? Unattainable combination. Means resources are scarce to produce that much level. Okay, so there are two types of combination in the PPF, that is attainable combination and unattainable combination. I think all of you understood this one. Next one. Next we will study shift in PPF. Shift in PPF. Okay, there are two types of shift. Means one shift means the resources are fully utilized, and likewise technology is fully utilized, means resources are fully utilized, and technological upgradation means the PPF curve shift rightward. And if the resources are not fully utilized, means decrease the resources and technological degradation, that time the PPF curve shift leftward. So shift in PPF happened when there is a change in technology and change in resources in the production of the two goods. Means there is change in the production of two goods, that time shift in PPF will happen. So when the shift in PPF will happen? When there is change in production capacity of two goods. How this production capacity change? Due to change in resources and change in technology. Due to change in resources and due to change in technology. Here you can see the PPF curve shift from PP to P1 P1, means the curve shift rightward from PP to P1 P1 due to increasing resources and technological upgradation. Increase in resources and technological upgradation. Due to increase in resources and technological upgradation, the PPF curve shift rightward. So this is the rightward shift. Rightward shift of PPF. Here PPF curve, PP curve shift rightward from PP to P1 P1 due to increase in resources and technological upgradation. Next one is leftward shift of PPF. Rightward shift of PPF we already studied. Next one is leftward shift of PPF. Here PPF curve shift leftward from PP to P to P2. Why it shift leftward? Due to technological degradation. Likewise resources decreased. So these are the two shifts, that is rightward shift and leftward shift. Rightward shift means the PPF curve shift rightward due to technological upgradation and increased resources. And leftward shift means PPF curve shift leftward due to decreased resources and technological degradation. Next we will study about rotation of PPF. Rotation of PPF means the PPF curve change due to change the production of any one commodity. The other commodity remains same. When there is change in the production of one commodity, then only what is happening? Rotation of the PPF. Here also you can see two types of rotation, that is rotation of commodity on x-axis, likewise rotation of commodity on y-axis. You know the x-axis butter is mentioned and y-axis gun is mentioned. Suppose there is a technological improvement, technological upgradation and increase in resources for the production of butter. Then the curve rotate from AB to AC. Okay, the curve rotate from AB to AC. Suppose there is technological degradation or decrease in the production of the butter, then what will happen? It shift leftward means rotate from AB to AD. AB to AD. Okay, likewise rotation of commodity on the y-axis. Here y-axis which is the commodity gun and x-axis butter. Suppose there is technological improvement and increase in the resources in the production of gun, then it shift, it rotate rightward AB to CB. Likewise, there is technological degradation or decrease resources, then it shift leftward means rotate from AB to DB. Okay, so there are two types of rotation. If there is a increase in the production of butter due to increase in resources and technological improvement or technological upgradation, it rotate from AB to AC. If there is a technological degradation or decrease in resources means it rotate from AB to AD. Likewise, in the case of gun, if there is a technological improvement or technological upgradation or increase in resources, it rotate from AB to CB. Likewise, if there is technological degradation or decrease in resources in the production of gun, it rotate from AB to DB. But here the production of butter remain constant. So if there is change in the production of any one commodity, rotation of the PPF happen. So I think all of you understood today's class, that is production possibility frontier. In this class we studied what is PPF, likewise properties of PPF, and likewise we studied the schedule, diagram, combinations of PPF, attainable combinations and unattainable combinations, likewise shift in PPF, rightward shift and leftward shift means there is change in the production of two commodities due to change in resources and change in technology. And finally we studied rotation of PPF, that is change in the production capacity of any one commodity and the other commodity remains same. So in the gun production, that is increasing or decreasing, that is a rotation one type, that is rotation of commodity on y-axis, and rotation of commodity on x-axis means butter production increasing or decreasing at the same production of gun. I think everyone liked my classes. So once again I am saying Economic Mall is my YouTube channel. If you like my classes, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.